Next party question number 47, but 4 marks questions, important questions. Okay, so the first one question discuss ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, right? So ಈ 4 marks question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋ, ರೈಟ್? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, so that the matrix A is equal to 2 3 1 2 satisfy the equation A square minus 4A plus I equal to 0, where I is the identity matrix 1 0 0 1 and 0 is a null matrix 0 0 0 0. Using this equation find A inverse. Okay, ಈ equation use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು A inverse ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, right? So given matrix A equal to what? 2 3 1 2. Okay, show that ಏನಂತ ನೋಡಿ, A square ಇದೆ. First you find A square, right? A square means what? A square means A into A, right? Okay, so matrix A becomes what? 2 3 1 2. Okay, into 2 3 1 2. So that is equal to rows into column, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3. Okay, next 2 3s are 6 plus 3 2s are 6. Next second row, first column, 1 into 2 becomes 2 plus 2 into 1 becomes 2, 1 into 3 becomes 3 plus 2 2s are 4. Okay, that is equal to A square equal to, see, 4 plus 3 becomes 7, 6 plus 6 becomes 12, 2 plus 2 becomes 4, 3 plus 4 becomes what? 7. A square equal to. Okay, next take LHS side. So what is LHS? A square minus 4A plus I. Okay, A square is equal to what? 7 12 4 7 minus 4 into what is A matrix? A becomes what? 2 3 1 2 plus identity matrix. What is identity matrix? 1 0 0 1. Okay, right, so that is equal to 7 12 4 7 minus 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 0 0 1. Okay, see, next that is equal to 7 here minus 8 here plus 1. Okay, next 12 minus 12 here plus 0. Okay, next 4 minus 4 plus 0. Okay, 7 minus 8 plus 1, that is equal to, see, 7 plus 1 8, 8 minus 8 becomes 0, 12 minus 12 becomes 0, 4 minus 4 becomes 0, 7 plus 1 8, 8 minus 8 again 0. Okay, so LHS equal to what? RHS, right? It is a null matrix. So next, to find A inverse using this equation. So what is given equation? A square minus 4A plus I equal to 0. Okay, right. So here A square, can I write A square equal to A into A minus 4A plus I equal to 0. Okay, so I'll multiply by A inverse on both sides. So that becomes A inverse into A minus 4 into A inverse into A plus A inverse into I equal to 0. Okay, you know that A inverse into A is equal to identity matrix, right? So next to A inverse into I equal to A inverse, right? Okay, so identity matrix into A is also A. Okay, right? So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ basic ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಿದು. So see here, A into A inverse. A inverse into A becomes what? Identity matrix. Next, minus 4 into A inverse into A becomes what? I. Minus A plus A inverse into I becomes what? A inverse equal to 0. Okay. See, I into A becomes what? A minus 4I plus A inverse equal to 0. Okay. I will take this term this side. So that becomes what? A inverse equal to, see, minus 4I becomes what? Plus 4I minus A. Okay. Then A inverse equal to 4 into what is identity matrix? 1, 0, 0, 1. Minus what is A matrix? A matrix becomes 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, that is equal to, see, here 4 into 1 becomes 4, 4, 0, 0. Next 0, 4 into 1 becomes 4. Minus, see, 2, 3, 1, 2. That is equal to A inverse equal to, see, 4 minus 2, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 1. Okay, next 4 minus 2. That is equal to 4 minus 2 becomes 2. This is minus 3. 0 minus 1 becomes minus 1. 4 minus 2 becomes 2. Okay, right. Okay, so next second question, same question irate. So the given matrix becomes what? A equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Okay, first you find A square. So that is equal to A square becomes what? You know, A into A. That is equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 2 into 3, 1, minus 1, 2. So that is equal to A square equal to rows into column. 3, 3 is a 9. Okay, 1 into minus 1 becomes minus 1. 3 1s are 3. 1 into 2 becomes 2. Minus 1 into 3 becomes minus 3. Next 1 into minus 2 becomes minus 2. Minus 1 into 1 becomes minus 1. 2 into 2 plus 4. So that is equal to A square is equal to 9 minus 1 becomes 8. 3 plus 2 becomes 5. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Minus 1 plus 4 becomes plus 3. Okay, right. Okay, now take LHS. So what is LHS? A square minus 5A plus 7I, right? Okay, so what is A square? 8, 5, minus 5, 3. Okay, minus 5 into what is A matrix? 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Plus 7I. What is I matrix? 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, right. So that is equal to 8. Okay, minus 5, 5, 3. Okay, minus 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. Minus 5. 5 2s are 10. Plus 7, 0, 0, 7. Okay, 7 multiple. Next, that is equal to 8 minus 15 plus 7. Okay, next 5 minus 5 plus 0. Minus 5 here, minus minus becomes plus 5. Okay, plus 0. Next 3 minus 10 plus 7. So that is equal to, see, 8 plus 7 becomes 15. 15 minus 15 becomes 0. 5 minus 5 becomes 0. Minus 5 plus 3 is also 0. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 minus 10 becomes 0. Okay, see, LHS equal to RHS. Right. So, ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸನ್ನು ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಗಿವನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ನು? ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 5a ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7i ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್? ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ A square becomes A into A, right? Minus 5 into A plus 7i equal to 0. Okay. Now multiple by A inverse on both sides. That equal to A inverse into A minus 5 into A inverse into A plus 7 into A inverse into I equal to A inverse into 0. Okay, so already then A inverse into A becomes what? Identity matrix. I into A minus 5 into, okay, again A inverse into A becomes what? I plus 7. A inverse into I becomes what? A inverse equal to 0. A inverse into 0 becomes 0, right? So 7A inverse, okay, I will take this term this side, so that becomes what? 5I minus I into A. Okay, then okay, 7A inverse equal to 5 identity matrix. Okay, see 5I and identity matrix into A becomes what? A, right? Okay, ಯಾವುದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 7A inverse is equal to 5 into what is identity matrix? 1 0 0 1. Okay, minus what is A matrix? See, A matrix becomes what? 3 1 minus 1 2. That is equal to 7A inverse equal to 5 0 0 5. Okay, minus 3 1 minus 1 2. Okay, next 7A inverse equal to 5 minus 3, 0 minus 1, 0 minus minus plus 1, 5 minus 2. Okay, that is equal to A inverse equal to 1 by, we will take 7 this side, 1 by 7 into 5 minus 3 becomes what? 2. 0 minus 1 becomes minus 1. 0 plus 1 becomes 1. 5 minus 2 becomes what? 3. Okay, so this is A inverse, right? Okay, next, so ಇದೇ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆರಾಮ್ಸರಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ದಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 5 6 4 3. Okay, first ನೋಡಿ here A square minus 8A minus 9I equal to 0. Okay, now find A square. A square equal to A into A. So what is matrix A? 5 6 4 3 into, okay, 5 6 4 3. Right. Then A square equal to rows into column, 5 5s are 25. Next 6 4s are 24. 5 6 the 5 6 the 30. Next 6 3s are 18. Next 4 5s are 20. Next 4 3s are 12. 4 6s are 24 plus 3 3s are 9, right? Okay, so next A square equal to 25 plus 24. Okay, this is equal to 49, right? And 30 plus 18 becomes what? 48. 20 plus 12 32. 24 plus 9 33. Okay, A square. Take LHS side. A square minus 8A minus 9I. What is A square here? 49, 48, 32, 33 minus 8 into, what is identity matrix? 1 0 0 minus 9y. Sorry, 8A. A becomes what? 5 6 4 3 9i. So what is identity matrix? 1 0 0 1. That is equal to 49 48 32 33 minus, okay, 8 5s are 40. 8 6 za 48, 8 4 za 32, 8 3 za minus 9009. That is equal to, see, 49 minus 40 minus 9. Okay, next 48 minus 48 minus 0. Next 32 minus 32 minus 0. Okay, next 33 minus 24 and minus 9. So that is equal to, see, 0 0 0 0, right? Okay, LHS equal to RHS. Okay, next, to find A inverse using this equation. So here A square minus 8A minus 9I equal to 0. Okay, so we'll multiply by A square on both sides. See, first to write A square becomes, can I write A into A minus 8 into A minus 9 into I equal to 0. Okay, we'll multiply by A inverse. A inverse into A into A. Okay, see, minus 8 into A inverse into A minus 9 into A inverse into I equal to 0. Okay, 0 into A inverse becomes 0. See, A inverse into A becomes what? Identity matrix I into A. Minus 8 into, okay, this becomes I. Then minus 9 into A inverse into I becomes what? A inverse equal to 0. Right? See, I into A becomes what? A minus 8I minus 9 A inverse equal to 0. Okay, so we'll take this term this side. So that becomes what? Plus A into 8I is equal to 9A inverse. Then can I write 9A inverse equal to what? A minus 8I. Okay, 9A inverse equal to, what is matrix A? 5 6 4 3 minus 8 into, what is identity matrix? 1 0 0 1. Okay, see, so next 9A inverse equal to, see, 5 minus 8, 6 minus 0, 4 minus 0, 3 minus 8. Then, okay, see, 9A inverse equal to 5 minus 8 becomes what? Minus 3. 6 minus 0 becomes what? 6. 4 minus 0 becomes what? 4. 3 minus 8 becomes what? 5. Minus 5. Okay. Then A inverse equal to 1 by 9. 1 by 9 into minus 3, 6, 4, minus